another beautiful day. It's Sunday and I have 15 days to go before I get this shoulder replaced. I'm on my way to a function. It's called North County Vintage Hippie Chicks. There's about 16 ladies going to this event. It's in Vista, which is about a little ways away, almost an hour away from here. And I will be heading off. We're going to be doing tie-dye today, so stay tuned. It might be fun. I'm wondering if that silly doggy is going to try to be a sled dog again today. There she goes. Seatbelt on. There she goes. She lives over there. They'll find her today and they'll tie her up again. And when she sees me, she'll start crying and they'll let her go. Yep, I am here at the Vintage Hippie Chicks cabin in Vista. It's absolutely beautiful here. I'm hoping everything is looking okay with the camera. I can't see with these glasses on. I'm gonna go back inside. We're having a brunch. I'll show you what that looks like next.
Yeah, Bob's wife, Kath, is not doing all this. And it's just like, that's what we're gonna do, so.
Yeah.
But I'm like, but I love the weather here.
Yeah,
But
I
I'm jumping ahead of myself, so, you know.
I can't.
You're here, we don't know.
As usually, I always have fun when I meet up with a bunch of older people that are enjoying life, and that's what we did today. So I'm hoping you're enjoying life too. We'll see you tomorrow.